Yeah, so my country people, I throw a salute. Everton 0 and Arsenal 1. And we get Oga Emperor, will be Ogbonga person. Ogbonga Arsenal fan make tell us about how he see this game. Oga Emperor, for 6 years, Arsenal never beat Everton for Everton home. But today they don't break them. How you see this performance from your team today?
To talk to Sha, Arsenal they try Sha, but the team be say the team Sha, no say Everton Ayote say today na grace. To win this match 1-0, you know easy. Record when they don't dey hold for 6 years, you can't break out today. Now good sign say if we play them again for that stage, we'll still win them again. So at least we try today. The team tried. The team they tried. They tried.
So far, we know say na just 5 games into the season. What you don't see so far from Arsenal? You think say changes there from the Arsenal wey we say last season, we push Man City to the closing to the close of the season, but Arsenal can't drop off. You think say anything don't change from that Arsenal and this Arsenal wey we dey see now? Because this record, when they play Everton last season, they lose against Everton for Everton home. But you think say any difference Arsenal last season and Arsenal this season?
And the truth be say Arsenal don't improve. Right from last season, we enter this season, we don't improve. Because if you look at the team, the midfield now they coordinated. Even when they lose, they get that spirit and that mindset, say they won't win the game. Anything you're about draw, you know they did their mindset as in that trophy Z. Not they did their body say yes, at least when they just win every matches when they play, they won't win something. And as we play this match today, so you can see and say the team shall to me, Arsenal try. The midfield they try, attack try, everybody try. But everything from beginning of the game to the end of the game, they just play defensive game. They just play to frustrate the effort of Arsenal. If you see the game where they just play to frustrate the effort. Then if you talk of next as our last season and this season, improvement don't day. But I just need to for me, I believe so. If you sign one striker, one defender, I don't get problem. Maybe a going. One striker, one defender, I don't get problem.
So how you dey see the team this season? You dey see the team to challenge City again?
No go fit predict football. Now at the end of 19 minutes, you go tell say it go happen. Who this game before everybody don't write and say na draw. If you miss, I don't think I see na draw. But at least if I fit just get one goal, I know say yes, I don't win. That goal that is allowed for first half, it weak my spirit. But as an Arsenal fan, a normal thing. Now VAR, anything where they talk, now normal. But we go see win the game. I just believe we go see, and I will win the game so today.
So one Arsenal, the goalkeeper David Raya make his debut today. How you see in performance? You know, say when they sign David Raya, some people they talk say no need for another goalkeeper. Arsenal already get Ramsdale. But today, what do you get to talk about this new goalkeeper debut today?
Today, Sha, you know, say Everton will play today. Everton not play more of offensive game. They just play more defensive game. So we'll not be ascertain so that the guy is good. I know say Ryan a fine goalkeeper right from beginning, but the changes what Arteta make, it will help the team. At least you need to blend into the team. Not be everybody go one day you go play one player every time. You know, even Saka self, I expect to go come on Saka for the game. At least I rest Saka, Champions League, Cali Cup, and the rest. Come on, Odegaard, your rest there. You know, since you already didn't win, maybe you get that space. But the changes on the goalkeeper, say, at least it's still good. This is try. Ryan a fine goalkeeper. At least for the first match, he keep clean sheet and win. Get the luck of winning 1-0 today. So it's a good record for him.
So who be your man of the match for today's performance?
For today's performance, I will just say, if I say na Trossard, no. If I say na Odegaard, no. Saka play. Everybody play. To me, I feel just give Odegaard the match. As a good captain, as in, he get that Z, say yes, everybody, at least they carry everybody along. Let's play, not be to draw. You know they play, you know they see Odegaard say, they won't Arsenal they lose, you know they see and say, they play the game, say, make the game like that. No. They motivate the players, say, let's do something. Let's do something. We can also let's win this match. Just like that match. Everyone with a draw. Let the player know say na lie. We're not gonna draw this match. You understand? He get that spirit. And we should come back because he win that game. I just believe Odegaard is the man of this match today.
So talking about Odegaard now, we see the reports when they come out from all the senior man like Fabrizio Romano when talk say Arsenal they close to get new contract with Martin Odegaard. How you see this midfielder? How you see this player? So you, Odegaard now, what class midfielder if you want to compare him with what we they see from some other clubs?
Yes, Odegaard they play ball. He play to my taste. You know, say right from the back in the days when you see like Reyes, when we get Reyes for Arsenal, when you get that left foot player, he play, he get that bite, he get that zeal, he get skill, he get coordination, and they coordinate the midfield, they coordinate the team. Even the contrary on one side, I go they fear because as it is now, other clubs go they iron. Because when he did Madrid that time, he not shine like this. Now see the Arsenal, so they see the quality when they play our body. And when you see him from nowhere, when they play for a countryside, they carry the team along. Not be like say they leave the team behind. So yes, so everybody idol they that player now. So na fine player, a fine player. I just dey fear for the country. When Arsenal just reason where to go, make go favor am. Even then I wait to go, anything you want, me they give am, make your day, me not come out. And a fine player for Arsenal body now.
So what do you get to talk about your coach, Mikel Arteta?
Arteta, na God that will stay beggar, na God that will take beggar. May use the mind. If they make it changes, make it they think well. As in the assistant coach and the coaching staff, make they think well, they calculate because sometimes all the matches last season and our wrong changes now affect them. Our wrong changes now affect them. Sometimes when you need to bring in some player just to cover some losses, to replace some, you bring in the wrong player to they play another part of the game, and they affect them. So I just praise Arteta. That pattern when they play 4 defense at the beginning of the game, go turn out to 3 defense. The shot go they play midfield. A fine formation, but if you they play Man City, you cannot play like that. Even when we play Man U, we first start the game like, well, they won't play like that, but at the time, you look and say, you know, go favor round. And we can change her back to the 4 defense. So I just pray say Arteta, I need make God help me use the brain to do coach well this season.
So Arsenal next game now against PSV for Champions League. 7 years now it take Arsenal to come back to the Champions League. You as an Arsenal fan, what do you expect of the team for the return back to the League of the Champions? Maybe the big boys, the Senior Bra League. What do you expect from your team against PSV for Emirates Stadium on Wednesday?
Now good start for Arsenal, since we don't come back to Champions League after many years. You know, say you ain't know to go somewhere since you come and reach there this time now. They know say normally now 40 they go there always. And now you don't manage go now. So it will give the team more spirit, say yes, they need to buckle up. Now you know they play the Champions League. Before you know they play Champions League, before you play your local league, and you know they think of Europa, FA Cup, Cali Cup, but now you play Champions League. So you get more matches to the play than before. So the best thing you need to go there to do say, as in match you they play, if you want win, you don't win, I mean you rest. If you win at 2-0, don't stress yourself again. If the coach want you play defense, may not say na defense just dey play. Till the game go end, may not say yes, you don't even win that game. PSV when we dey talk about, so PSV not be small team. Understand? And PSV they get that young chaps too when they play like Arsenal. So I believe say for Emirates, come rain, come sun, anything can still happen. But I believe my team shall.
Score prediction, give us your score.
I just say 3-1, Arsenal win 3-1. But PSV they see good. So they get one bad striker like that. So I just say if I thought they go score, but Arsenal I know say we go win the first half, we go see win the full game. 3-1.
All right, now, Emperor, thank you for your time.